Morning, so day 1, 9 a.m. right now, and today I'm driving from Reykjavik to Selfoss. Morning, so it's like 7 a.m. right now here in Reykjavik and its temperature is 3 degrees, super cold. So I but had to. I had no food yesterday night. It reached at around 8 p.m. Almost all the stores were closed. Here the stores closed by like 6:30 p.m. Pretty weird. So went ahead and had some biscuits. Then slept at around 8 p.m. Got my alarm at 12 or 1 a.m. Then had to sleep till 2. Woke up at around 2, edited the sweet little vlog. Here is the link, go ahead and check it out. Then slept again, just woke up, it's 8 a.m. now. So there was one Indian restaurant here in Reykjavik, but it was like 10 kilometers from the hotel and I was just too tired to drive and go to the hotel. And let me tell you, the food here is super expensive. The best thing of what I have done is I have booked all the hotels which has breakfast included. So basically I can just have some heavy breakfast in the morning, get started with the drive, then we'll have Maggie in the night. So let's go and see what do we have in the breakfast for me today. So for the breakfast, I just had a few fruits, 2 eggs, bread, butter, jam, and a bit of scrambled egg. I just hope it stays for long.
Looking for the one I miss. I will make you mine, make you mine, make you mine again. I will give it all, give it all, give it all again. I will make you fly, make you fly, make you fly again. Tonight, tonight, our love will set us free. Our love will set us free.
Just drove for like 50 kilometers from Reykjavik to Valley National Park. The issue with Iceland is there are not a lot of visitors over here, so like it took like 50 kilometers for me to find a highland and stop. Wow, it's way too windy. Cannot even get the drone up. It's almost the same like New Zealand. Landscapes absolutely epic. You see the views? First 100 kilometers, worst part, not able to find any N1 stations or bonus stores to get water. No liquid diet since morning, also no fuel now. And the fuel station shows like 50 kilometers from here. But I'm down with 2 batteries on the drone. Epic shots. Whew. Here are 2 of the shots. National Park. I guess drones are not allowed in Valley National Park. So from Valley National Park, we are going to go to Geysir. Then second will be Gullfoss. The third will be Selfoss. And then we'll be reaching the hotel, Selfoss. Super cold. When we're traveling to Iceland, just make sure you're getting this neck warmer. So in case you need it, I have it in stock at SBK store. It's just around, I guess, 3,000 bucks. Get it, absolutely a must-have if you're traveling to Iceland. Neck warmer. We reached the first stop. So this is the Thingvellir or Pingvellir National Park. It's a hike of somewhere around 2 kilometers up the hill. So gotta walk and see what we're gonna see. I just hope we're gonna find some spot to get some amazing aerials. Oof, it's uphill and it's going to be a super long walk. It's already like 3 p.m. and I don't think I would be able to walk all the way to the top. So I guess it's better to just go back to the car, get the drone up and watch the Thingvellir National Park. I just hope drones are allowed here because it's a national park. See the views. Absolutely epic. Thingvellir National Park, came up somewhere around, I guess, more 50 kilometers and had to pass the Geysir. It's one of the most iconic places here in Iceland to visit, maybe next time, because the road was blocked due to some accident over there. So Geysir is, I mean, it's there for the next time. Next stop is Selfoss. I just got to know that Selfoss is again closed. It's already like 3 p.m. right now. So the next stop is going to be Selfoss and then we'll be reaching the hotel in Selfoss. I've already stopped for more than 14 or 15 times in last 150 kilometers. It's already getting dark. I mean, in Iceland, weather is kind of unpredictable. Sometimes it's kind of completely sunny, then it's raining. So, I mean, I just need to reach the hotel before it's dark, like 6 or 7 p.m. It's more 80 or 90 kilometers to go. I have to do like 2 or 3 detours. Is sola kohu ko borsa uthilani kona sola utte ki jiba padiyo be chalo be. Crossed a lot of distance, I guess 180 kilometers done with it since morning, and finally got the N1 store. Went ahead and got my shopping done for the water liquid diet. Just the water, bananas. Can you guess how much did it cost me? Approx 3,200 Indian rupees. That's just for 5 or 6 bottles and 10 bananas. This is really bananas. I mean, super expensive. Finally found the N1 store. So I haven't filled the fuel since last 180 kilometers, almost nil. So got to go fill the fuel. And for the fuel pricing, I'm not going to call it expensive because our Indian pricing is already giving a tough fight to Icelandic price for the fuel. It's around 130 or 140 rupees, I would say. And here they don't accept cash, so I went ahead and got myself a N1 card, loaded it with like 12,000 bucks. So got to fill the fuel. So basically you just, here it's all about self-service. You just walk to any of the N1 stores, swipe the card, fill the fuel and just leave. So the second stop of the day is Selfoss waterfalls. It's majestic, big. Woo! Let's get the drone up. For the last 200 kilometers, I did not find a single public toilet. Thankful. And the one which I finally got had to pay 200 bucks. 200 rupees to do susu. Not fair. Just closing in to Selfoss. More 50 kilometers to go, I guess. 45. It's no less than Mars. Absolutely sunsan. No one on the road. You don't get public toilets. You don't get fuel stations. You don't get anything. So absolutely sunsan. Make sure you're carrying a lot of fuel, water, drink, juice, everything what you can. It's all super expensive and it's not available. So you have to wait like 200 kilometers to pee. Kind of weird. So I need to drive now. Just reached the hotel. It's like 7:30 p.m. right now. Started at around 9 a.m. today in the morning. And it took good like more than 10 hours to drive today. I did not expect it to take this long, but keeping the stops in mind, so it makes sense because I made like 20 or 25 stops. The drone batteries have been charged for more than 13 times and have finished like 180 GB, 128 GB card has been finished, and the 64 GB card has been done as well. So I will go ahead, make Maggie for the dinner, then we'll sit, edit, and then we'll sleep and see you guys tomorrow.